Hi guys, this is Justin Volmuth here from Serra Cadillac. I'm sitting in a brand new 2019 XT4 Sport. It's a new model from Cadillac. It's got some pretty cool features on it. I hope you enjoy this ride along with us today. So we're in a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, and it actually has 237 horsepower, a 9-speed actually shiftable transmission. It's got a lot of pep to it. So we actually have a couple different driving modes on here. I have it in the sport mode, so it's going to hold my shifts longer and actually be a little bit more of an aggressive engine pattern on there. We actually do have a touring mode, which is going to give you front wheel drive, very comfortable ride with good fuel economy. And for our tough northern Michigan winters up here, there is an all-wheel drive mode on here, so you can be very confident no matter what conditions face you. So one of the safety features I'd like to show you guys, it's called lane keep assist, and it actually has lane departure warning on it too. What that means is if we're going on a clearly marked road and we head kind of off the side, you'll notice a vehicle actively steering us towards the center of the lane. What that's useful for is fatigue driving, driving on the highway. Essentially it keeps you off the rumble strips and actually potentially out of an accident. This car is fast and it's got all the safety features, but what else does it have? Well, you're in luck. This XT Sport that I'm in right now actually has in the front heated seats and actually ventilated seats. I'm actually enjoying a bit of a lumbar massage right now. In the rear seat, it's actually heated for those rear passengers and actually has class-leading rear legroom in there. Alright, guys, really appreciate you spending the time and taking a ride with me in this new XT4 Sport. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, you can click the link below or actually give me a call on my direct line. It's 231-486-0905. Have a great day.